Few snacks can claim the universal appeal of the samosa. From bustling street markets to upscale restaurants, this humble pastry has captured the hearts and stomachs of food lovers worldwide. Its crispy exterior, yielding to a savory filling, offers a sensory delight that transcends cultural boundaries. Whether enjoyed as a quick bite or a celebratory treat, the samosa holds a special place in the culinary landscape of many nations. The samosa's journey through history is as fascinating as its flavor. Its origins can be traced back centuries to ancient civilizations and trade routes that spanned continents. Along the way, it has been embraced and adapted by diverse cultures, resulting in a remarkable array of variations. This essay delves into the rich history of the samosa, exploring its origins, cultural significance, and enduring popularity. Join us as we uncover the fascinating story behind this beloved global snack. The samosa's roots can be traced back to the ancient world long before it became a staple in Indian cuisine. Historical records and culinary traditions suggest that a precursor to the samosa originated in the Middle East, possibly in Persia. Referred to as sanbosag or sambusak, these early versions were likely filled with meat, nuts, and other savory ingredients. These triangular pastries were not only popular in Persia, but also traveled along the Silk Road, a network of ancient trade routes that connected the East and West. As traders and travelers journeyed across continents, they carried with them culinary traditions and recipes, including those for these savory pastries. The samosa's journey to India is believed to have occurred sometime during the 13th or 14th century. Central Asian Turkic rulers who had established their empires in India brought with them their culinary customs, including a fondness for these savory pastries. Over time, the samosa underwent adaptations to suit local tastes and ingredients, eventually becoming an integral part of Indian cuisine. The samosa's journey across continents is a testament to the power of trade and cultural exchange in shaping culinary traditions. As trade flourished along the Silk Road and maritime routes, culinary ideas and recipes were shared and adapted. The samosa, with its adaptable nature, proved to be a perfect candidate for such culinary cross-pollination. From Persia, the samosa traveled eastwards, reaching India through Central Asian influences. It also journeyed westwards, making its way to North Africa and the Iberian Peninsula through the expansion of the Islamic world. In each region it encountered, the samosa was embraced and adapted to local tastes and ingredients. The basic concept of a crispy, savory pastry remained, but the fillings, shapes, and cooking methods varied significantly, reflecting the culinary diversity of each region. The samosa's journey is a fascinating example of how food can transcend geographical boundaries and become an integral part of diverse cultures. The samosa, with its adaptable nature, has seamlessly integrated into diverse culinary landscapes, undergoing fascinating transformations along the way. Its ability to accommodate a wide range of fillings and cooking methods has made it a true culinary chameleon, reflecting the unique flavors and preferences of each region. In India, samosas are often larger and typically deep-fried, with fillings ranging from spiced potatoes and peas to lentils, minced meat, or paneer, Indian cheese. Regional variations abound, with each region boasting its unique take on this beloved snack. In Central Asia, samosas are often baked or fried in a tandoor, clay oven, and may feature fillings like lamb, onions, and pumpkin. The dough may also differ, with some regions using a yeast-based dough for a softer texture. In Africa, samosas are commonly found in countries with a strong Indian influence, such as South Africa, Kenya, and Tanzania. They often feature spicy fillings reflecting the local palate for bold flavors. These are just a few examples of the remarkable adaptations the samosa has undergone throughout its culinary journey. Its versatility and adaptability are a testament to its enduring appeal and its ability to transcend cultural boundaries. Samosas in India, a beloved snack with regional variations. In India, samosas hold a place of honor in the culinary landscape, enjoyed by people from all walks of life. From street food vendors to upscale restaurants, samosas are a ubiquitous sight, their aroma wafting through the air, beckoning passers-by with their irresistible charm. While the basic concept of a crispy, savory pastry remains consistent, regional variations abound, showcasing the diversity of Indian cuisine. Each region boasts its unique take on the samosa, with variations in size, shape, filling, and even the accompanying chutneys. In North India, samosas are typically larger and generously filled with a spiced mixture of potatoes, peas, and sometimes lentils. They are deep-fried to a golden brown and served piping hot, often with a side of tangy tamarind chutney and a cooling mint coriander chutney. In South India, samosas tend to be smaller and crispier, often referred to as samosas or singaras. They are typically filled with a flavorful mixture of potatoes, onions, spices, and curry leaves, reflecting the region's penchant for bold flavors. Samosas in Central Asia and Africa. The samosas journey extended beyond the Indian subcontinent, reaching Central Asia and Africa. It underwent fascinating adaptations reflecting unique regional flavors. In Central Asia, samosas, known as samsa, are popular street food. Typically baked in a tandoor oven, they have a smoky flavor. Fillings include lamb, onions, and pumpkin. In Africa, samosas are found in countries with Indian influence. They are a beloved snack in South Africa, Kenya, and Tanzania. Fillings feature spicy minced meat, vegetables, or lentils. The samosa's presence transcends cultural boundaries, adapting to local tastes. Sweet and savory delights. Exploring different samosa fillings. One of the most captivating aspects of the samosa is its versatility when it comes to fillings. While savory fillings reign supreme, the samosa also lends itself to sweet interpretations, showcasing its adaptability and ability to cater to diverse palates. Savory samosa fillings are a world unto themselves with countless variations found across regions and cultures. In India, classic fillings include spiced potatoes and peas, lentils, minced meat, lamb, chicken or beef, and paneer, Indian cheese. Regional variations abound, with some regions incorporating local vegetables, herbs, and spices. Sweet samosa fillings offer a delightful contrast to their savory counterparts. Popular sweet fillings include sweetened koya, milk solids, nuts, such as almonds, cashews, and pistachios, dried fruits, such as raisins and dates, and cardamom-infused sugar. These sweet samosas are often enjoyed as a dessert or a festive treat. The world of samosa fillings is a testament to the creativity and ingenuity of cooks across generations. From traditional recipes passed down through families to modern interpretations, samosa fillings continue to evolve, offering a delightful array of flavors to tantalize taste buds worldwide. From street food to fine dining samosas in diverse settings, the samosa's appeal transcends social and economic barriers. From street food stalls to fine dining, on the streets of India, samosas are a ubiquitous sight, their aroma filling the air. In fine dining, chefs elevate samosas with innovative fillings and artistic presentations. The Art of Samosa Making, Techniques and Traditions. The art of samosa making is a testament to culinary skill and tradition, passed down through generations of cooks. From the perfect dough to the precise folding techniques, each step in the process contributes to the samosa's distinctive texture and flavor. The dough, typically made with flour, water, and sometimes a touch of oil or ghee, is the foundation of a good samosa. It needs to be pliable enough to fold easily, yet sturdy enough to hold the filling without breaking during frying. The filling is where creativity knows no bounds, with countless variations existing across regions and cultures. Whether savory or sweet, the filling is carefully prepared with a blend of spices, herbs, and other ingredients to create a symphony of flavors. Once the filling is ready, the dough is rolled out into thin circles, which are then cut in half to form semicircles. Each semicircle is then carefully folded into a cone shape, filled with the desired filling and sealed tightly, using a variety of intricate folding techniques. Samosas in popular culture, references in literature, film, and music. The samosa's ubiquity extends beyond the culinary realm, permeating popular culture through references in literature, film, and music. Its presence in these creative expressions reflects its status as a cultural icon, a symbol of comfort, familiarity, and shared experiences. In literature, samosas often appear as a symbol of everyday life, particularly in stories set in the Indian subcontinent. They might be mentioned as a popular street food, a staple snack in homes, or a treat enjoyed during festivals and celebrations. In film, samosas often make cameo appearances, adding a touch of authenticity to scenes depicting Indian culture. They might be shown being sold by street vendors, enjoyed by families during meals, or featured in comedic situations, highlighting their relatable nature. In music, samosas occasionally find their way into lyrics, often in a lighthearted or humorous context. They might be mentioned as a beloved snack, a symbol of comfort food, or even used as a metaphor to express love, longing, or nostalgia. The enduring legacy of the samosa. The samosa, with its humble origins, stands as a testament to the unifying nature of food. Its crispy exterior and savory filling have captivated taste buds for centuries. From ancient trade routes to modern kitchens, the samosa has evolved, embracing local flavors. It symbolizes cultural exchange and the interconnectedness of our world through food. The samosa continues to bring people together, offering a taste of history and culture.